A 3-day-old patient is brought for a newborn visit after a difficult delivery. On exam, the right upper extremity is held in adduction and internal rotation with the elbow extended, forearm pronated, and the wrist flexed. There is absent moral and bicep reflexes on the right. Where is the site of this patient's injury? Now, this patient is presenting with the classic signs of Erb's palsy. Erb's palsy is going to impact the C5 and the C6 nerve roots, so the answer is going to be A. Now, Erb's palsy is going to be due to traumatic neck and shoulder separation, and so it is going to impact the upper trunk. And as you can see, the upper trunk is made up of C5 and the C6 nerve roots. Now, we get the symptoms that we get because the C5 and the C6 nerve roots are going to contain the suprascapular nerve, the musculocutaneous nerve, and the axillary nerve. Now, the suprascapular nerve is going to be innervating the infraspinatus muscle, which is responsible for external rotation. And so that is why the patient is presenting with internal rotation instead, because there's damage to the suprascapular nerve. And so the infraspinatus muscle is not able to externally rotate the arm. Now, the musculocutaneous nerve is going to be innervating the biceps. The biceps are going to be responsible for supination as well as elbow flexion. So that's why we see elbow extension and pronation with the patient. Now, the axillary nerve is going to be innervating the shoulder. Shoulder is going to be responsible for abducting the shoulder more than 15 degrees. And so that is why with the patient's presentation, we see adduction. Now, this is how the person will look with Erb's palsy. This is also called Wader's tip. So this is the hallmark picture of a person with Erb's palsy. Now, you can remember all the dysfunctions with the mnemonic up by the deli in. Now, up is going to be for the upper trunk, by for the biceps, deli is for the deltoid dysfunction, and the in for the infraspinatus dysfunction.